Florida's Big Bend region got the brunt of Hurricane Idalia this morning, and the storm is still dumping heavy rain and powerful winds in the area. The dangerous storm has already left more than 160,000 customers in the dark, and a record high storm surge is expected.
CBS News Miami reporters Anna McAllister joins us now from Lake City, Florida. Can you tell us what you're seeing on the ground right now?
Absolutely. So just over the last few hours that we've been here, we're in downtown Lake City, Florida. The conditions have deteriorated. We're seeing a lot more rain come down, and it's kind of coming down in waves. So it'll lighten up, and then it'll start just torrential downpour, and that wind that's kind of been pretty constant, and this is expected to be more of a wind event here because we're more inland. But I kind of want to show you what the wind has done over here to this business. We do see the name of this business up here kind of flapping. This has happened just recently since we've been out here, so kind of a testament of what the wind is like here in Lake City, Florida. We have seen some folks walking around outside. Obviously, officials were telling people to stay indoors with the wind and the rain. And for us here in Lake City, Florida, a lot of folks who have mobile homes, that's been a concern. Officials telling them that they should evacuate because of the wind that we're seeing here and this uptick in the rain as well.
All right. Well, I mean, it looks bad, but not as bad as you would expect. You know, sometimes but we've been saying this all morning long, Jamie, that sometimes it's deceiving.
Yes, absolutely.
And that's why emergency personnel are telling people to stay inside and stay safe. Anna McAllister, thank you very much.